Hey guys, what's a vagina?
That is not appropriate for TF2 servers.
Hey guys, what's a penis for?
I think it's a new type of map.
I think it's what?
Might be a hat.
Hey guys, what's a boob feel like?
A what?
A boob.
Oh, they're pretty damn bitchin'.
You're saying
Like a big old bag of sand.
They're pretty bitchin', dude. I'd advise finding a couple girls.
Don't
Always
girls...
start with a farm animal.
Oh wait, no, girls have cooties. Yeah.
Mission begins in
I thought that, girls could kill you with their cooties. How do you put a condom on?
See, I don't think
these condoms. It's like putting a one sleeve glove over a sock backwards. I just love how he keeps begging the question.
Wow, I just got bazoned right
We're
there.
gonna ask next.
I have two dads. What do I do on Mother's Day?
Well, which one is the most feminine?
That's not fair. You don't
They're
celebrate
both
Mother's Day.
pretty feminine.
Then I guess you have a holiday to worry about it
That's
anymore.
like saying, oh, I'm Christian. What do you do about Hanukkah? Well, no, you don't have Jews, so...
Have Jews? How do you have a Jew?
Apples to apples comparison, though. See, if you were Jewish, you would know how to have a Jew. See, that's the difference.
God damn it.
What do I use my penis for?
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Showing
it to
police officers.
That's actually an emergency carrot that is on a guy every now and then.
Varying in like several different ways. How about that?
Well, one of the main ways it's used is if you're stuck in the wild or something, you can cut it off and then you can eat it
Mission begins in 10
to
seconds.
keep yourself from dying for a while.
5,
You mean like
I
a
think I saw that on
sausage?
Bear Grylls one time.
2, 1.
Oh, bronies. Is it normal that I kissed my sister last Christmas?
How old are you? That's kind of the important question. That's actually
27.
important.
My sister only weighs like 320 pounds, so not that bad. And she's 5'5".
Are we talking about
See,
like kiss on
it
the
might
cheek
be
or
an
kiss
actual
on the
like
lips, like
bad
full makeup?
thing. Was it forced? Did like somebody hold you at gunpoint or?
No, I just like her.
Huh. Well then, this is different. Does she have like, I don't know what to ask about this.
It doesn't matter. He wants you to just keep asking anything. The only winning move is not to play. It's time to rape.
Yeah, I'm lost now. I'm lost with this.